And hello people, welcome to the Microsoft Excel Academy School. This is the course for beginners and intermediate users. And in today's lesson we will talking about entering date values in Excel. So in the previous lessons we talked about two different types of values that you can input into the Excel document. Actually there are few more. And in this lesson I want to talk about one of these type of data. We have talked about text values like months, January, February, etc. and bills, electricity, phone. These are all text values and here. And we talked about the other type of values. It's numeric value. Another type of data you will be working in Excel are dates. We got here months like January, February, March, April, and this is just portion of the date. That is date value, but it is not a complete date. You already know that the dates consist of three different elements. You got the day, I mean day of the month, you got month, and you got the year. So depending on of what region you are living, your dates could be formatted a little differently. You can have day first, or you can have month first. And let's see this in tables. For example, if I want to put information which year this month belongs to, I will do the double click on this field and I will enter 2021, and I got very interesting. Okay, we will go furthermore. February 2021, okay, March 2021, and April 2021. Okay, and I put these values like this, and two things happened here. I will try, let's say, on February 2021, and what can you see? You can see if I double click on this field, you see that this is a date value. We have month first, the day first, day the second, actually second month, first day of the month, and the year 2021. Also, if I click on this field, you will see in the formula bar that we are working with a date value. And how we know that? First, they are all right aligned. You see they are on the right side of the cell, every date. That means that Excel dates treated days as numeric values. Okay, you have text, for example January, but underneath all of these dates are numbers. So we stay on, okay, if we stay on any cell, or if we click on any cell here, you see in the formula bar that these are the dates. If you type, for example, January 2021 and you put the enter key and it doesn't change it, you need to take a look of your date settings or your date formats. What if I want to have the date in format January hyphen 2021 instead January hyphen 21? Okay, when I say hyphen, I mean hyphen. Hyphen is this January hyphen 2021. Okay, then I must select all these cells from B3 to E3, go to Home tab. I'm already on Home tab. go to number section, and we have some drop down menu, and in underneath we got some default formatting options like short date or long date, but for more formatting options we will go to this option, more number formats. Okay, in the section category I can select date, and here I can choose some format for the date. You see here that is this format already is active, like March-12, we have January-21, so we don't need this format. I need January-2021, and I don't see that like here. So I will go to custom, and under the type field I will delete all, and I will create my own format options, like I want to have first three letters of the month, M, hyphen, and whole number of the year. For example, 2021, I have 4 digits, so I will put year. And if I click on OK, you see that all my dates are now formatted like as I wanted, January hyphen the whole year. That is all for this lesson. In the next lecture we will be working with the cell references. See you soon.